Hello everyone! Today is another happy Monday for us to learn new things. So please provide the materials needed for today. Pencil and paper. Alright, so since today we have a wonderful weather and this means we will have a fun learning today. Now, what are the objectives for our lesson? So we will have to recall important details in ecology for kids. Number two is we're going to define rhyme in poetry. And number three, we're going to identify rhyming words in a poem. Alright? So first, we shall recall the important details in ecology for kids. Now, if you have your reading book with you, you can open it on pages 380 to 381. Alright, now look at on your screen. What picture can you see? Okay, that's right. Now, we discussed this already last time, that ecology is the study of the earth. Now, ecologists, which is the person, study relationships between organisms and their environment. They also study how to use environment while protecting it. Meaning to say, we must balance the use of the resources in our environment. Alright? Now let's see the next picture. Do you still remember our lesson? Okay, so an ecosystem is a natural area where groups of living and non-living things interact with their environment, such as forests, lakes, and deserts. Preserving the rainforest is important because they produce oxygen for atmosphere and provide a home to many plants and animals. Now, if we are going to cut all the trees in the forest, if we're going to destroy our forests, the tendency that animals will leave their habitats because they have no food to eat. Alright, now let's have pages 384 to 385. We say that the ocean is another important ecosystem containing many plants and animals. An important resource from an ocean is fish, which we must learn to harvest wisely. The sea also provides minerals and is used to transport people and goods. It can also be a source of energy. Overfishing destroys the resources in our ocean. Small fish are being caught, coral reefs are being destroyed, and other natural habitats of some creatures under the sea is also being destroyed. Now we should remember how to use the resources in our ocean properly. Alright, now let's go to pages 386 to 387. We say that the atmosphere is the air that covers the earth. Though all living things need the heat and the light of the sun, we must be careful not to be exposed to its harmful radiation. The ozone layer in the Earth's atmosphere can protect us from sun's harmful rays. Now let's look back. This picture, okay, it shows how the ozone layer protects us from the ultraviolet rays coming from the sun. Alright, now I am going to give you 20 seconds to answer each question. So please prepare the materials needed with you. Get your paper and pencil. Let's start. What is ecology? 20 seconds starts now. A. The study of the earth. B. The study of stars and heavenly bodies. C. The study of human brain. 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, time is up. The correct answer is letter A, the study of the earth. Number 2, organisms are living things that interact in their own environment. Which of the following is not an organism? Write your answer on your paper. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, which is not, okay? The question is, which is not an organism? Okay, the correct answer is letter B, cars. Okay, number 3. 20 seconds starts now. Okay, letter A, use of oxygen will be lost. B, the soil will be washed away during rainy season. C, animals will leave their habitat. D, all of the above. Alright, time is up. Now the correct answer is letter D, all of the above. Okay? Next, number 4. Which of the following is an example of a natural ecosystem? A, market. B, forest. C, city. 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Now the correct answer is letter C. Forest is a natural ecosystem. Number 5. What is the importance of ozone layer? What is the importance of ozone layer? A, it is a home to an amazing variety of creatures. B, it protects the earth from the sun's harmful rays. C, it produces oxygen in Earth's atmosphere. Alright, the correct answer is letter B. It protects the Earth from the sun's harmful rays. Alright, I hope everybody got 5 over 5. Very good, you're great. Excellent. Now, have we achieved objective number 1? Alright, let's proceed to our objective number 2. Let's define first what is poetry. Alright, poetry is a form of literature that uses the sounds and rhythms of words to create images and express feelings. So, there are different forms and genres of poetry. Let's discuss first poem. What is poem? Poem is a piece of writing that usually has figurative language and that is written in separate lines and usually has repeated pattern of sounds, or we call these rhyming words. Now, sir, what are rhyming words? Rhyming words are 2 or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. Remember this, have the same or similar ending sound. Now, let's match the rhyming words below. Okay, we have here sharpen, phone, paddle, note. So we have here sets of words: stone, boat, shuttle, open. Which word from this has the same ending sound of sharpen? Very good. Okay. Sharpen and open are rhyming words. Very good. Next. Phone. Alright. Stone. Phone, stone. Phone, stone. Next. Puddle. Alright. The correct answer is shuttle. Puddle, shuttle. And the last is note. boat. Alright? Let's read the rhyming words again. Sharpen, open, phone, stone, paddle, shuttle, note, boat. So, what do we call these words? Okay, they are rhyming words. What is rhyming words? Rhyming words are words with the same or similar ending sound. Okay, now, what is rhyme in poetry? We say that in poetry, especially in poem, we use rhyme. We use rhyme. So what is rhyme? Okay, rhyme is the repeated final sounds of words or lines in poetry. Okay, we have here an example of a poem written by Jamie Gerard entitled Something Happened to Trees. Now let's read all together. Something happened to the trees. It started with a chilly breeze that blew in welcoming the fall, till there were no leaves left at all. Now, look at the first line and the second line of this poem. The first and the second line. Do these lines have rhyming words? Yes, look at these. The last or the final sound of these lines are rhyming. Trees, breeze. Again, trees, breeze. So there is a rhyme in these two lines. Next, the third and the fourth line, do they rhyme with each other? Very good. Now you see, that blew in welcoming the fall, till there were no leaves left at all. Fall, all, fall, all. Are these words rhyming words? Very good. They are rhyming words. So these third and fourth lines rhyme with each other. So remember this, when we write a poem, there must be rhyme. What is rhyme? Rhyme is the repeated final sounds of words or lines in poetry. Now, have we achieved objective number 1? Alright, thank you so much. Now, let's proceed. Let's get ready for a variety of weather and poems. Now, open your reading book on pages 390 to 392. But anyway, if you don't have the book, I have the poem with me. Now, let's have our first example of poem in pages 390 to 392. The title is Lightning Bolt. Lightning Bolt is an example of a concrete poem. So what is concrete poem? Concrete poem is its words form a picture. For example, this poem creates a form of a lightning bolt. I'll give you 20 seconds to identify what are the rhyming words in this poem. 20 seconds starts now. Four, three, two, one. Okay, so these are the rhyming words. Key, electricity, Next! 20 seconds starts now. Please write, what are the rhyming words in this poem? Okay, time is up. The rhyming words are spring, conversing. So, this poem is an example of a haiku. Haiku has always 3 lines with 5, 7, 5 syllables, meaning the first line has 5 syllables, second line has 7 syllables, and the third line has 5 syllables. So we call this haiku. Okay? Next, we will have another one. 20 seconds starts now. Identify the rhyming words in this poem. Three, two, one. Time is up. Now, let's see what are the rhyming words in this poem. Alright, so we have here dry, sky, dry, sky. So these are the rhyming words in this poem. Okay? Now, have we achieved objective number 2? Identify rhyming words in a poem. Alright, very good. Now, let's answer the classwork in Google Classroom. Please be reminded that look for your classwork in the classwork section in Google Classroom. Okay? Goodbye, everyone!